Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. In today's video I will be doing an all-purpose facial scrub. All-purpose in the fact that it is great for many different skin conditions. Now this facial scrub is filled with vitamin A, vitamin C, and it's filled with antioxidant, and it has anti-aging properties. It's going to brighten, it's going to tone the skin. Also, this facial scrub is perfect for people with whitehead, blackhead, acne. It is also great for dull looking skin. If you want to have your skin radiant and glowing, this facial scrub is also good for that too. So basically, all-purpose facial scrub. Now this facial scrub also has ingredient that is used in some of the top cosmetics products on the market. So if you're interested in this all-purpose facial scrub, then continue watching.
So to make our scrub, we're going to need a bowl, and we're going to use rice flour. And to make rice flour, you just blend your rice in your blender and make it as powdery as you can. Next, we're going to use baking soda. We're also going to use tomato. And we're going to use honey. So to begin, we're going to cut our tomato in 2 halves. And then we're going to scoop out the juice. You could also blend the tomato if you choose. But for a fast and easy scrub, I'm just scraping the juice. And here we have it, and if you have some pulp, just try to crush it a little. So we're going to need a tablespoon of the tomato juice or the tomato puree. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of rice flour. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. And you want to make sure you get everything out the spoon. You could also eyeball this, which I normally do, but for the sake of the video, I gotta pour for you guys to see the amount. And then we're gonna mix well. As you could see, it's nice and creamy. And here is our scrub.
Now here is our facial scrub. And for this scrub, you're going to make sure you avoid your eyes. Exfoliate your face for about 3 to 4 minutes, or however long you feel like you need to get result. This is also perfect for the lips. And this is very gentle. It's not too coarse. It's just perfect granules. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to rinse this off. Or depending on your skin, if you want to go up to 5 minutes, then you go and you rinse this off with some lukewarm water. And yes, I'm doing my hands because it's a scrub, So it's perfect for the hands too. So I've gone ahead and I've washed my face, and you want to continue with your regular skincare regime. You want to add your moisturizer or your serum, whatever it is you use on your skin. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Remember to share, also comment, and if this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.